Present to you SOWise Biodegradable Pads. Some pads stay forever. Piles up in our garden. And harming the environment. But ours, they become part of it. We present to you SOWise Biodegradable Pads. A pad that will not only help your plant grow, but will also return to nature, leaving behind no waste, only nourishment for the soil. Every year, millions of plastics, including plastic pads, pile up in our garden, landfills, and even in our ocean. It adds to plastic pollution, which is a major environmental issue that harms human health. Plastics take hundreds of years to decompose, releasing toxic chemicals that excrete into the soil and water. And did you know? Plastic pads do more than just take space. They also affect plant health by releasing harmful microplastics into the soil, disrupting growth and nutrient absorption. So what if we grow plants without growing waste? SOWise is here to save the day, the wiser and greener choice for eco-conscious gardeners. 100% biodegradable. No plastic, no waste, just nature at work. Sustainable and durable. Made from combining two waste materials, strong enough to support growth. Eco-friendly. Helps reduce landfill waste and pollution. Our product is made out of waste paper as well as sawdust, bound with a natural binding agent and built to break down naturally, leaving behind nothing but nutrients for your plants. These pads are designed to be an eco-friendly alternative to existing plant pads. By using waste materials, we're giving these resources a new purpose for reducing environmental waste. It's more than just a pad, it's a plant booster. Biodegradable pads contribute not only to the environment but also to the plants in itself. As the pad naturally breaks down, it releases organic materials that improve soil quality and provide essential nutrients for the plant health. The use of natural materials such as waste paper and sawdust in conducting eco-friendly plant pads brought a greater effect on the users. Aside from it being more affordable, it can also serve as fertilizer as it decomposes, which means users do not need to buy chemical fertilizers. Research shows that using recycled paper adds lightweight durability because of its low density, making the final product lighter than other biodegradable materials and excellent moisture retention, keeping the plants hydrated. Sawdust enhances the performance of the pads by providing structural strength, improving erosion for healthy root development, and contributing to the plant's natural biodegradability. Its organic nature ensures that as the pads decompose, they enrich the soil, making it sustainable and plant-friendly material. It's time to say goodbye to the traditional ways. Take the first step because every small choice makes a bigger impact. Gardening should give back to nature, not take from it. Let's grow plants the right way and make it greener together.
Nature speaks to us through the songs of animals, the whispers of the wind, and the rustling of the trees. But are we paying attention to its cry for help? Are we truly listening?
From now on, make the sustainable choice, make the wise choice, choose SOWise biodegradable pads. Let's grow wise with SOWise and be part of the first move for a greener future.